Hi, it's Gabrielle, and today I am going to start kind of an artist inspiration series. So this is a series that I thought would be really cool because it would introduce you guys to different professional makeup artists, and I could do my own take of their kinds of makeups, just be inspired by them and see what ends up as the result. My first artist that inspires me, I would say, is Tanno. She is Lady Gaga's makeup artist primarily, but she does other people's makeup as well. The makeup that I'm drawing from, I will put a photo right here somewhere. It is the Marc Jacobs holiday release from last year. She had some really interesting shapes, and in general, I think she has really interesting shapes and really interesting style when it comes to especially Lady Gaga's makeup, using like face lace and using different concepts and different ideas to kind of make it transformative versus just makeup on someone's face. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. My face has been prepped with Purely skincare. I've been testing it out, and once that month is up, then I'm gonna have a review and check in for you guys later, but let's start. So to start off my base, I'm going to be using Giorgio Armani's Luminous Silk Foundation with the Sapphire Beauty Blender. I have really been loving this foundation. It looks just like skin. I know it's a little dark for me, but I'm in between my shades right now, so that's okay. I'll just bring it down to the neck. For concealer today, I'm using my Laura Mercier Secret Camouflage in shade SC5. Just concealing a bit around the nose, chin, down the nose, a little bit on the cheeks. I've been really loving this Sapphire Beauty Blender. I feel like it's softer than the other beauty blenders because I have the pink one, but this one seems so much more squishy. I like it. What holiday sets would you guys like me to review? Now there's a lot, and people are always inundated with so many beauty products, especially during the holidays and sets and everything. Okay, so let's start with eyes because this look is all about the eye shape. So I'm just gonna map it out using a pencil first, and I'm gonna go for a blue eye, which is a little different than hers. This one is Urban Decay's Eye Pencil in Chaos. I think it's really great that people are inspired by other artists and not just copying the same looks, because like my eye shape is very different from the models in this photo, and also my eye shape is different than a lot of celebrities, or my face shape is different. So if you like an aspect of a makeup, you can totally just take it and make it your own and alter it so that it flatters your face. So you don't always have to feel like you have to find someone who looks like you to do the makeup that they're wearing. In some cases, it might be better and lend itself better, but makeup is makeup. You wash it off at the end of the day, and it's really great when you can just take from what other people create and kind of be like, ooh, I like this, but I don't like that aspect of it. So I'm going to take the color, but I'm not going to do the eye shape, or I'm not going to do, you know, you can just play around with it. I'm just roughly creating a kind of reverse wing at the end right here. Okay, and then I'm going to line underneath my eyes. So to start off with the eyeshadows, I'm going to use this Stila Metallic Cobalt. It's a beautiful shade. I'm going to take my finger Just kind of dab it in the center. So for the outer part of the wing, I'm going in with this blue shade. This is Geo from NARS. I'm going to use a little detail brush. Then for the very tip of the wing, I'm just going to go into that black eyeshadow from the same NARS palette. Okay, the next blue shade we will be using is from Pat McGrath, and it is this bright blue shade right here. And then for the next part, I'm using this blue. This is All Made Up by Lancome. I'm also going to do the Pat McGrath and the Lancome shade underneath my eyes. And then for that inner part, I'm going to use this Duochrome from Pat McGrath as well. And then once again, do the same thing underneath the eyes. And then right in the inner corner, I'm going to take that pale icy shade from Pat McGrath. Okay, so if I really like it, I might blend out the eyeshadow so it's not that crisp line, but we will see because I want to finish the rest of my face first. So I'm just going to take a finishing powder. This one is from NYX, but anyone will do. Just kind of set certain parts of the face. So for blusher and bronzer today, I'm going to be using this little Girls Getaway Trio from The Balm. So I'm going to be using this one as a bronzer and this one as the blush. I might add a little bit of the deeper blush too. I've really been liking these bronzers and blushers. They're a really good tone for me. Okay, I'm just going to take a little bit of Balm Beach. Just a very natural blush. Just going to apply it right here. So for lips, since the eyes are so metallic, I did want to go with a nude, but I still wanted to go with metallic theme. So this is the Melt Lip Gloss in Seance. This is one of the ones that I won for a competition with Melt Cosmetics for Halloween. I have a review and swatches of all of them here on my channel. So to line my waterline and tightline, I'm using my Pixie Endless Silky Eye Pen in black. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and do a thin line along the lashes as well. So for brows, I'm going to go in with a Clinique brow powder in charcoal. I'm going to extend my brow further down than I normally would. The shade is really the perfect brow color for me. Just because people get caught up in things of wanting the newest products doesn't mean that the stuff that's already out is bad. There's some things that have been amazing for many, many years. And of course you want to improve and you want to get better products, but if something really works for you, then there's really not too much of a point to try something new. One of Sarah's most iconic makeups would probably be when Lady Gaga did the Super Bowl and they did that makeup change super quickly with the face lace. That was really awesome. So now we're going to set the brows using my favorite brow gel, Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I am going to use some mascara. This one is the Essence Lashes of the Day Super Volume Mascara. So I'm going to do mascara on my bottom lashes. While doing this artist series, you also must know that nothing is original. Everything's been done before, no matter whether or not it has existed on Instagram or on the internet yet. Everything has been done before, which is slightly unfortunate, but it's also really great because you can take those ideas that already exist and make it your own in a way and combine it with different techniques, and different artists can inspire you. I think that's really great about makeup, is that there's so many options and there's so much room to improve and be inspired even further, whether it be your inspiration from other artists or inspiration from history, or nature. There's literally an infinite amount. To seal it all in and give a little bit more dewiness to the skin, I'm using this Cinema Secrets Moisture Spray. I've been using my Pacifica Moisture Spray so much that I figured I might as well do something a little different. Just letting that dry. So this is my finished look, inspired by Sarah Tanno. It was really fun. I don't know, I like this eye shape. It's like a backwards wing where it's kind of like, ooh, like, I don't know. I really like it. It's very different, but it's not too much. Like, I would probably wear this out, but that's just me. Like I said, makeup is so individual and personal, so it's up to you guys. You could always do a less dramatic version of this too. I just really like the colors. It reminds me of like Ice Queen type, but then the lip is really beautiful and metallic, but also somewhat nude. I really love these lip glosses. If you want to see my full review of them and swatch video, go ahead and I'll link it down below. They are really great. Every single one of them in this line is really amazing, and this is one of my favorites. If there are any other artists that you want me to check out and draw inspiration from and maybe copy a makeup look or be influenced by a makeup look, then go ahead and leave it in the comments below. I do have a couple more people in mind, so I'm pretty excited to get to them first. But yeah, I'm always open to suggestions, and I love seeing new artists' work just so that I can see what they like and like the techniques that they like to use. I had so much fun. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.